I kind of want to wait till night.
Yeah, you guys want to see what he does?
Yeah. I'm gonna put down all that.
I'm gonna get on top of shit for safety.
I'm gonna do a flashlight.
I'm gonna look for beehives.
I'm gonna
Okay.
look straight in the eyes. Or, actually, I'm gonna be elevated.
And what if he just shoots a fucking rocket at Frosty, man? You ever think about that?
I'm going to
You just do that.
I'm going to laugh my ass off.
Whoa. Me.
And now we wait.
I'll stay right here, okay? I don't even think a dog can get me up here. Maybe a giant.
Aren't like giants rare to spawn here?
Yeah. I had to, I'm sorry, it's just too chaotic and a dog.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
I wasn't even dying to the rockets, but that was so cool!
That was awesome!
Crazy!
I screamed so fucking loud because I was standing on top of his head while he activated, man.
Can he like hit you?
I don't think
I
it's
wonder
a
if he could,
melee,
like,
it was like, he can hit me, but it was like more like knockback than damage.
Okay, so wait, you
That's
was able
damage
to
though.
Okay, he was able to knock you off of him though, right?
I kinda just fell through him. I got pushed out.
Okay.
That is awesome.
Damn, that shit was crazy!
It was so fucking
crazy!
chaotic.
They
Damn,
were
I
so...
love the old bird. That was so cool. I wonder if he was fucking with that dog for a bit there. I can't tell. Alright, Sis, did you clip it? How loud did I scream?
Wait.
I just started seeing missiles fly!